In this video, we're going to understand inverse, secant, cosecant, and cotangent functions. It says evaluate the following expression, arc cotangent of negative root 3 over 3. The first thing I want to write down is that cotangent inverse has a range of 0 to pi. So I'm going to write that at the top, that 0 to pi is the area, that's quadrants 1 and 2, where our solution that we get at the end has to lie. So it has to lie in quadrants 1 and 2. So to figure this out, we're going to start by saying theta is equal to arc cotangent. So that means that cotangent theta, when I take the cotangent of each side, is equal to cotangent inverse of negative root 3 over 3. So I'm taking the cotangent of each side. Arc cotangent means cotangent inverse. These cancel, and I get cotangent theta is equal to negative root 3 over 3. Now, I'm going to do the reciprocal of this to make it tangent, so I'm going to say tangent theta is equal to, and I'll do the reciprocal of this side, that'd be negative 3 over root 3. And then I'm going to rationalize the denominator by multiplying by root 3 over root 3. And I end up with tan theta is equal to root 3 times root 3 is 3. So if I cancel these two things with the 3 on top, I end up with just negative root 3. So tangent theta is equal to negative root 3. When does that occur? Well, we want to look at the unit circle, and we'll look at the first quadrant, and we want to figure out when is tangent theta equal to just root 3. So I'm going to start with 30 degrees, and I'm going to take at 30 degrees, remember tangent is sine divided by cosine, so I'm going to take 1/2, and I'm going to divide by root 3 over 2, which means really multiply by the reciprocal. So I multiply by 2 over root 3, and I get 1 over root 3. So 30 degrees is not the angle, which means that 60 degrees would be the angle, because 60 degrees is root 3 over 2. When I divide 1/2, I flip and multiply, so I take the reciprocal and I multiply, so 2 over 1. So I get root 3 there. So 60 degrees is where root 3 lies. So where does negative root 3 lie? Well, negative root 3 would lie at 60 degrees in the second quadrant. So we're really looking at 2 pi over 3, or 120 degrees for our solution here. Because it says tan theta is negative root 3, and tan is negative in quadrants 2 and 4. So we're going to say that this theta value would be 2 pi over 3, or 60 degrees, or not 60, or 120 degrees. And that's because we have to abide by the range of cotangent inverse.